In this short video, we'll explore the features and ideal applications of various AI models. The goal is to help you develop an instinct or a sixth sense for choosing the right LLM for your use case. First, let's make sure we understand what LLMs actually are. LLMs are powerful tools for language-based tasks capable of understanding and generating human-like text. They're specialized AI models designed for processing and generating human language. They leverage vast amounts of text data to understand and produce language that's coherent, contextually relevant, and often indistinguishable from human writing. You don't need to be a tech wizard to interact with them either, which is what natural language processing, or NLP, is referring to. Some key features of LLMs. First, training on large data sets. LLMs are trained on extensive data sets that include books, articles, websites, and other text sources. This helps them learn language patterns, grammar, and context. Versatile applications. LLMs can perform a variety of tasks, including text generation, translation, summarization, sentiment analysis, and much more. Contextual understanding. These models can understand and maintain context over longer passages of text, making them suitable for tasks that require understanding nuanced language. Before we look at a few specific LLMs more closely, you'll need to understand context windows and token limits, so you can better interpret the info you're getting back from an AI model. A context window is the segment of text that an AI model considers at any given moment when processing or generating language. It defines how many words or characters, which are tokens, the model can take into account to understand the current context and make predictions or generate new text. The size of the context window is crucial because it affects the model's ability to maintain coherence and relevance across longer pieces of text. A larger context window allows the model to consider more information, enhancing its ability to generate contextually appropriate, relevant, and coherent responses. However, this also requires more computational resources. In addition to the context window, models also have a limit on the maximum number of tokens that they can output in a single response. This max token output determines how much text the model can generate at one time. Together, the context window and max token output define the range and scale of text that the model can effectively process and produce. You might notice that some LLMs have more up-to-date info than others, and that's because they have different knowledge cutoff dates. You can access the internet via web scraping features for the LLMs, but their training data is not always current, so it's important to keep that in mind. You'll see that some LLMs are designed for more specific use cases than others. So let's take a look at some of the models that are available on the HATS AI platform and how you might use them in your day-to-day operations. OpenAI is renowned for its advanced natural language processing capabilities, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. GPT 3.5 Turbo has a context window of 16,385 tokens and a max output token of 4,096. Its knowledge cutoff date is September of 2021. GPT-4 has a little bit of a smaller context window at 8,192 tokens, and the max output token is also 8,192. The knowledge cutoff is more recent at December 2023. GPT-4o has a much larger context window of 128,000 tokens, but the max output tokens are 4,096. Its knowledge cutoff is October of 2023. The Mistral models are designed for instructional tasks, offering different sizes to balance performance and efficiency, and a large portion of their training data is from other languages. Mistral Large has a context window of 32,000 tokens and a max output of 4,096 tokens, and its knowledge cutoff is around October of 2023. The Llama models from Meta excel at instruction following and task-specific explanations. The Llama models from Meta excel at instruction following and task-specific applications. Anthropic models focus on creativity and artistic content and more nuanced language. Claude 3 Sonnet and Claude 3 Haiku both have a context window of 200,000 tokens and a max output token count of 4,096, and both of their knowledge cutoff dates are around August of 2023. Google's models, Gemini 1.5 Flash and Gemini 1.5 Pro, are optimized for speed and multimedia processing. Gemini 1.5 Flash has a context window of 1 million tokens and a max output count of 8,192 tokens. Gemini 1.5 Pro has a 2 million token context window and a max output token count of 8,192 tokens. Both Gemini models' knowledge cutoff is around November of 2023. Each AI model offers unique strengths and is suited for specific tasks. Consider your use case needs, including the context size and the application scenarios, to choose the right model. If you're uploading a large data set, the Gemini models might be better suited for you. But if you're creating a use case or an AI automation that needs something very simple, it's task specific, the Llama models might be more efficient. One of the key features of the HATS AI platform is the ability to use multiple models and compare results, all in one place. So play around with each model to get the hang of them, and before long, you'll develop that sixth sense for choosing the right one.